In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a blog post with Hostinger Website Builder using AI. First, open Hostinger Website Builder and either create a new site or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, pick a template that fits your brand and let the builder load your workspace. If you already have a site, jump straight into the editor. Give the page a second to fully load so the side panels and toolbar appear. That ensures all the editing tools are ready to go. Next, make sure your site has a place for your posts. Add a blog section from the builder's options, or open the blog tool if you've set it up before. You'll typically find it in the sidebar under sections or features. Adding the blog section creates the structure your posts will use, including a listing page and individual post pages. So everything stays consistent with your site's design. Now you're ready to start a new blog post. Click New Post or Add Post to open the post editor. You'll see fields for the title and the body and options for images and formatting. Think briefly about your goal for this post, what you want readers to learn, and keep that in mind as you build the content. Use the AI writing feature to help generate a solid first draft. Describe your topic in a clear prompt, mention the audience, tone, and any key points you want covered, and let the AI produce an outline or full paragraphs. If the output isn't quite right, refine your prompt or regenerate sections. The AI is great for getting past a blank page, but treat it as a starting point you'll tailor to your voice. Edit the title, text, images, and layout so it matches your style. Keep the title clear and specific, and use headings to break up longer sections. Replace or add images that support your message and ensure they're high quality and appropriately sized. Adjust spacing, fonts, and colors to align with your brand. Read the draft out loud to catch awkward phrasing, trim fluff, and make sure every section adds value. Add internal links to related pages on your site, and write concise image alt text to improve accessibility. Preview the blog post to see how it looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Check line breaks, image placement, and button visibility. Click through any links and scan for typos or formatting glitches before you go live. When everything looks good, publish the post on your website. Confirm the changes, wait a moment for the update to process, and then view the live page to ensure it matches the preview. That's it. Your blog post is live and ready for readers.